Catriona Eliza Magnion Gray, born January 6, 1994, is an Australian-born Filipino model, singer, television host, advocate, ambassador and beauty queen, best known for winning the title of Miss Universe 2018, the fourth Filipina to win Miss Universe. Gray was previously crowned Miss World Philippines 2016 and Miss Universe Philippines 2018, and reached the top 5 at Miss World 2016. Take a tour of Catriona Gray's colorful, eclectic condo home. Welcome to Casa de Gray. It is always fun watching celebrity home tours, because these videos give us a sense of what these people's personalities and preferences are. Not to mention a lot of design inspiration. One famous face who has recently given fans an exclusive peek into her space is Miss Universe 2018 herself, Catriona Gray, through a brand new video on her YouTube channel. Catriona shared that from the very beginning, she already knew how she wanted her space, also known as Casa de Gray, to look. It was really just a lot of my vision was already set in stone, if I'm to be honest. I don't think I took much suggestions because I've just really wanted my own home for so long now. Ever since I moved out from my parents' house, I've always been dreaming about owning my own home and being able to do what I wanted with it. Have a look at this colorful, eclectic home that is fit for a queen. The first thing you will see when you enter Catriona's home is a grid wall organizer, which she uses to organize items such as keys and face masks, as well as dark walls and a wood-framed full-length mirror. Just past the entrance is an electric piano from Roland, Philippines. The beauty queen shared that she invested in this item because she has always wanted to develop her skills in playing the piano. Paired with this is a custom piano bench created by Studio Fino, with fabric commissioned from Able, Philippines, which gives you a taste of Catriona's love for local weaves and textiles. Atop the piano are some interesting knickknacks like a bowl from a past trip to Colombia and a carved ostrich egg lamp from Africa. On the wall, Catriona hung black and white photographs of special moments and people in her life, including her fiancé, actor Sam Milby, and her first visit to the non-government organization Young Focus Philippines after winning Miss Universe. Catriona explained that the living room was the one part of her home that she really wanted to show her personality, which is why it is full of bright colors and a variety of decor. She shared, "I am a very expressive person, very artistic person, so I really wanted my space to reflect me as a person, which is why I also have a lot of display shelves in this house, because I just love displaying mementos, things from my travels, or just meaningful photographs or even just pieces of my heritage, whether that be Australian or also Filipino." One of her favorite nooks in the media unit is the one that contains the ear cuffs she wore when she competed in both by Nibbling Pilipinas and Miss Universe, as well as a framed photograph gifted to her by one of the Miss Universe judges, and a piece of fan art. The other squares display items from her travels, family photos, and more. Though she is not a big TV watcher, Catriona wanted a plush couch where she could cuddle with her pets and play video games with her fiancé. The couch is decorated with yak and throw pillows from Malingkit weaves and an Annabelle throw blanket that she bought in La Union. Other interesting pieces you'll find in this living room are colorful woven chandeliers from Calfern and a whimsical rug from Studio Sullivan. Many people say the kitchen is the heart of the home, but for Catriona, this label applies to the dining room. She made sure to keep this area as comfortable as possible, since it is where she and her loved ones usually spend hours eating, chatting, and playing games. The dining table, which is made of acacia, was made by Kasama craftsmanship, while the chairs are custom creations of Calfern. She accessorized the table with an Annabelle table runner, accents from H&M Home, and a Kappa chandelier from West Elm. Behind the dining room is a storage unit that features yet another set of eclectic decor, including a hot pink Stefania Bomi head vase from Fenton & Fenton, and a climbing monstera plant from PGD Botanicae standing next to a balcony door. This area also has a mini bar cart that Catriona uses when entertaining guests. Catriona also talked about the process of renovating her home. It's really funny because the first time I saw it, I was not sold because it was quite cluttered. I knocked down a lot of walls, she shared. Originally, it was quite more closed up, but by really opening it up and seeing how much natural light it had, I really fell in love. I'm just really happy that it turned out the way that it did. According to Catriona, the kitchen is the one part of the unit that saw the most changes, with a lot of walls being torn down, the counters being extended, shelves and cabinets being installed, and more. She opted for quartz countertops for Mobler since she wanted something low maintenance. The open shelves give a rustic look to the beauty queen's sleek kitchen and allow her to put her cookbooks and ceramic dining ware from H&M Home on display. She also had the Elba induction cooking range installed here, along with a range hood to get rid of cooking smells. The cabinet was constructed to hide the switchboard, which could not be moved elsewhere. I really love that we were able to really open it up, and I feel like I've always really bonded over food with my loved ones, Catriona gushed. Even when I was growing up with my family, it was always over mealtime. And then even with my friends, we always get together and we eat together. So I love that I have this space that hopefully I can cook good food to share with people that I love. Catriona revealed her excitement over being able to have such a spacious balcony in the middle of the city. She also added, "My green thumb seems to be working cause all of my plants have not died yet." Later on, she plans to spruce up this area a lot more and convert it into a beautiful little chill out area that she can hang out in with her loved ones. For now, she just has several chairs from Zari Manila decorating her balcony. Catriona, a proud fur mom, revealed that her two pets, Theo and Bailey, love sunbathing on the balcony. The puppies love it out here, especially Bailey. She loves sunbathing, especially when the sun's out. She would just come out here and lie in the sun. Right next to the dining room is the content creative room, which, according to Catriona, can be used not just as a work area but also as a hair and makeup studio or an extra bedroom for when her family come to visit. This room took the longest to decide on the look of, though it was initially supposed to be painted pink. Catriona eventually decided to paint the walls orange, since it would go well with the deep blue and deep green elements of the rest of her home. Another very special piece you'll find here is a junk knot chair made out of recycled, single-use plastics. This room is where you'll find one of Catriona's most favorite parts of her whole home. This painted mural created by Microfox. She said, "They came in and they painted this, and I'm really happy with it. It just gives me all my artsy vibes," which I love. Next to this painted mural are more open shelves, where Catriona keeps everything from her favorite books to an heirloom from her grandmother. Catriona's love of colors and art shines through in the design of her powder room, which has an impressively bold wallpaper created by Filipina artist Raxon Moniquez, and which features endemic flora and fauna from the Philippines. I sent her the 5 things that I wanted to be reflected onto my wallpaper, and she painted it. And then we printed it on wallpaper, and it's here, and it's so beautiful. It's so happy because it's like my whole powder room is wrapped in art, which is a dream. Catriona said, "The tiles in the powder room are also in a deep green color, while the accessories were sourced from Care Philippines and H&M Home. It was just something that was very bold. And I think it's just a nice welcome to your guests who come to visit your home, with a very statement powder room," the beauty queen shared. Latest news about Catriona Gray. Catriona Gray enjoying winter in Turkey as Sam Milby confirms split. Miss Universe Catriona Gray cancels engagement with Filipino actor Sam Milby, 10 years her senior. Actor Sam Milby confirmed in an interview his breakup with Filipino beauty queen Catriona Gray, the 2018 Miss Universe title holder. "Kat and I have always been private about our relationship," he stated, as reported by the Filipino Times. "And out of respect for her, I want to keep it that way." He also denied rumors that Filipino singer Mora de la Torre was involved in his relationship with Gray. Mora and I have always been like siblings," he explained. "There's nothing that's ever been between us except that sibling-like bond." Milby further disclosed that he and Tor are no longer close. "It's an issue I'd rather not talk about, but we're just not close anymore," he admitted to ABS-CBN. He encouraged the public to be careful and judicious with the information they find on social media, particularly when it lacks solid proof. Milby and Gray's relationship was first made public in 2020, as per GMA Network. The couple announced their engagement in Feb 2023. Last year, observers noted that Gray was not wearing her engagement ring in her social media posts, and she later removed pictures of her engagement from her accounts. This fueled rumors of a split. Following these events, Gray's management agency Cornerstone Entertainment issued a statement acknowledging that the couple was facing some challenges in their relationship. Enquirer Entertainment noted that both Gray and Milby were present at Filipino singer TJ Montard's concert earlier this month. They were seated several seats apart, and a video showing Gray crying on the shoulder of her friend, Filipino actress Isabel Oli, during the concert circulated widely online. Milby, 41, gained fame after participating in the first season of the TV reality show Pinoy Big Brother. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.